Hello, welcome back to JAL Project Management. In today's video, we are going to discuss one of the most important aspects of project management, metrics, key performance indicators or KPIs. KPIs are invaluable tools for tracking projects' progress, allowing managers to gauge whether their initiatives are on track and identify necessary adjustments. There are so many KPIs used in project management for different reasons, depending on the type of project and available resources. Today, we are going to discuss some common KPIs used in project management, which are essential for project managers to know. See you right after this. All right, welcome back. So the first KPI that we are going to discuss today is the project schedule. The project schedule KPI is a critical measure for monitoring the timing and progression of project tasks and milestones. It helps determine whether the project is on track, ahead of schedule, or behind the planned timeline. The value of this KPI lies in its ability to give a snapshot of project health and timeline adherence, enabling proactive management and communication about the project's progress. This is crucial for managing expectations and ensuring the project meets its delivery targets. The next one is the plan versus actual hours. The plan versus actual hours KPI measures the difference between the amount of time you estimated a task or project will take and the actual time spent on completing it. Okay. This KPI is crucial for understanding project efficiency and resource management. The value of this KPI lies in its ability to highlight discrepancies in time management, allowing project managers to make informed decisions about resource allocation, schedule adjustments, and efficiency improvements. For example, if a task consistently takes more time than planned, it might indicate a need for better training, more resources, or a revision of the task complexity. Conversely, tasks completed quicker than expected might provide insight into areas of unexpected efficiency that can be leveraged elsewhere in the project. The next one is budget variance, also known as cost variance. Okay, cost variance is a key performance indicator in project management that measures the difference between what was budgeted for the project and what is actually spent. This KPI is essential for monitoring and controlling the financial health of a project. Understanding and managing budget variance is crucial because it directly impacts the financial success of a project. It helps ensure that a project remains financially viable and can deliver the intended value without unexpected financial overruns. The next KPI is the percentage of tasks completed. Okay, this KPI measures the progress of tasks within a project relative to their total number. Okay, it helps project managers understand how far along different segments of a project are at any given time. Using the percentage of tasks completed KPI, teams can maintain a clear view of the project's progress, facilitating better communication and decision making to keep the projects aligned with its timeline and objectives. The next one is resource utilization. Okay, so the resource utilization is a key performance indicators that measures how effectively a project's human and physical resources are being used to produce outputs. It is crucial for ensuring that the resources allocated to a project are being used efficiently without underutilization or overutilization, which can impact project cost and timeline. Proper project management of resource utilization helps maintain the productivity of a team and ensures that every resource is contributing optimally towards the project's goal. Thanks for watching this lesson on KPIs. If you found it helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more project management insights. And see you in our next video.